All right, people, I got my dog out here with me today, people. I got my dog with me. I got the man, Mr. Bass. He out here today. Got Mr. Bass out here, y'all. He said we're gonna do something. We'll find out. He's slinging that spinnerbait like a pro. Y'all see him? Got his head turned. That's him, dog. Hey, dog. This the guy y'all been seeing on one of my shows named Dr. Prince, the Bass Master. There he is, people. But we together today, and we're gonna do what we can this Halloween.
We're gonna cover some water, people.
Yes, sir. We're gonna knock out all these masks. We're gonna do what we do. So hey,
this lake is turned over, man.
Y'all stay tuned. We'll be back at you. Hopefully we can show you some fish.
Yo,
thanks for watching.
This lake is turned. I'm starting to figure this shit out.
There you go.
I'm starting to really figure this
He's
shit
coming
out.
to the
like,
boat.
He coming towards you. That's
Yeah, I see it.
That's big.
That black worm, but
Black worm?
yeah. He fat too. Fat as he wanna be. Good. Dress it up.
That's a good eating size right there.
Yeah, it is. He swallowed it too. He wanted it.
Yeah, you got to keep him. He ain't gonna live any damn way. Ain't that some shit?
I don't care if he lives. Live or die. Look at you. You little big guy.
I thought you had a...
I thought I had something too, boy.
That little bitty sucker. Got a good one, or...
He decent.
Well, that's a big one.
I ain't that big. Keep. Yes, sir. Good fish. There you go. Come on. Fight. Fight. Stretch. Come here, girl. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, big. Got Susie. Got old big Susie. Yes, I do. Got old big Susie. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. There she is. Old big Susie. Yes, sir. Old big Susie. I know I'll get her after a while.